And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Good Tuesday morning to you. Your time is 6:44 as you get ready to head out for your morning commute. We're going to start with a live look in McAllen. Courtesy of Sky 5, looking at the corner of Jackson and Nolana. You see the traffic is light out there. There's a little bit of a haze in the air, and that's some patchy fog, but really visibilities aren't too bad out there to slow you down by much. So we expect your visibilities to range between 5 and 10 miles. Let's go back to the map because we are tracking some early morning rain. We're going to zoom into Starr County to start this forecast, and you'll notice that a lot of the light rain is over Salineño going into New Falcon, headed to the north and east. Very, very light sprinkles though, and it will continue over the next hour or so. Jumping over to the coast, we've been tracking rain there this morning over the past 2 to 3 and even 4 hours, and you can see that along 100 from Los Fresnos to Port Isabel, that those passing showers brought a little bit of rain, so you could expect to see maybe a few puddles on the roadway there. And then the showers hug the coastline all the way up to Port Mansfield, so the roads will be a little bit slick there as well. But when you get into San Perlita, relatively dry conditions there. Throughout the day today, we are expecting some rain, so keep your umbrellas handy. Otherwise, it's a mild start to the day with temperatures right around 70 degrees in Roma Creek, 71 in Lopezville, and good morning to you in Sebastian and La Feria. You're checking in at 69 degrees. Your dew point values are high out there, and that's because we have the south to southeast winds pumping in that moisture between about 5 and 10 miles per hour. Relatively light. That's why you're seeing that little bit of fog development. Throughout the day, the winds will pick up 8 to 16 miles per hour, so definitely not as windy as it has been. But temperature-wise, we're headed up to around 83 degrees today. That's above our average of 71 for this time of year. But from today going into tomorrow, check out that temperature dip. About a 10-degree difference. We'll be at 73 tomorrow and then 77 by Thursday. That little temperature dip is courtesy of a very weak cold front that'll move through. And basically, here's the setup across Texas. This is the stationary boundary. We're pulling in all of that moisture ahead of it. A lot of the heavy rain staying well to the north and east of the valley. So we're not expecting a whole bunch of heavy rain. What we are expecting is isolated shower activity. I'll show you that on the future track model. We start the clock at 6 this morning. A few more isolated showers are possible along the coast. And I can't rule out something happening in the mid and upper valley as well. So just have your umbrellas on standby. Your rain chances are at 20%. So not everybody will get the rain, but those that do, you will need your umbrella. Looking at 3 o'clock this afternoon, you'll notice that we do start to see some breaks in the clouds. We could see some sunshine later on today, but then the clouds thicken right back up overnight, and we could see a few more showers and even some patchy fog. With the approaching cold front, the winds will really slow down considerably, but your rain chances are going to be on the rise. We'll be at around 30% and even increasing those rain chances to 40% overnight Wednesday going into Thursday. And there is that small chance you could hear a thunderstorm early in the morning on Thursday. Isolated to scattered showers otherwise through Thursday, and then by the weekend we're back to dry conditions. And yes, there will be another cold front. At the coast today, if you're doing any boating, there are no advisories. There will be a light chop on the bay. Mariners, if you're going to be on the seas, you should use caution. They'll be at about 3 to 5 feet. For you beachgoers, 78 degrees with a few showers. Swimmers, the rip current risk is high, so swim safe, and your lifeguard if you're going to venture out into the water. The lower 80s across the rest of the valley, talking about 83 in Brownsville, Harlingen, Raymondville, and Weslaco, back to about 85 today in McAllen, and 84 in Rio Grande City and Edinburgh. Here's your First Warn 5 7-day forecast. We'll be at 73 tomorrow to 77 with a few showers Thursday. As we head into the weekend, very, very warm for Saturday, 87 degrees, dropping to 75 Sunday. That's the next cold front. No rain with it, but very, very gusty winds. We'll fall to 51 Sunday night going into Monday, and we rebound right back to 78 degrees. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.